Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by measuring the full interior height and depth so every inch counts. Once done, clear the area and sort clothing into keep, donate, and store piles so you only keep what fits vertically. Now decide what you use daily versus weekly or seasonally. This dictates placement. Make sure to note tall items like boots or long coats first. Start installing one tall rod or shelf at the top third to free the lower space for different modules. You now convert that cleared vertical area into modules. First, mount a second hanging rod at roughly half the usable height to double hanging capacity. Use slim hangers to avoid crowding. Then fit adjustable shelves or narrow cubbies above and below. Bins keep small items tidy and accessible. Once installed, add hooks on the side walls and cascading organizers for scarves or belts, so nothing wastes vertical inches. Make sure pieces are screwed into studs or use strong anchors for safety. You finish by arranging items by frequency: daily items at eye and hand level, weekly just below, and seasonal at the top or bottom. Once arranged, label bins and rotate clothing seasonally to maintain order. Make sure doors or drawers clear any new fixtures. If you encounter overcrowding or clothes that snag, first cull again, then swap to slim, non-slip hangers or add a tension rod for extra split storage. One key troubleshooting tip: if shelves sag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.